Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is care of the voice. Our topic is care of the voice. The voice is an important human apparatus for speaking and singing. It is important that you take good care of it. Firstly, a singer could maintain a good voice and improve his musical abilities by being part of a good choir or singing group and being a regular, consistent singer. With such choir or group, even if he is not privileged to be a lead vocalist, a good singer also necessarily has to engage in daily voice drills and rehearsal routine. The drill and rehearsal sessions should be thoughtfully, meticulously, and painstakingly carried out under the supervision of an expert. People are very quick to ask, what do I do? Eat or take to improve my voice? Or what do I avoid to maintain a good voice? The problem, as they say, is one man's meat is another man's poison. That is to say, what appears to affect the voice of an individual might not affect another individual's. Therefore, you are your best custodian. Whatever food, action, or environment that appears to affect your voice, you endeavor to avoid. For some, the exposure of their chest to inclement weather destabilizes everything in them, including their vocal organs. For others, the eating of such nuts as peanuts or granite is it. For others, still it may be the eating of fried foods or excessive oily foods such as puff puff. One main cause of loss of voice is the common cold. The symptoms may vary from headache, blockage of nostrils, incessant sneezing, uncomfortable sensation in the throat or some degree of cough, etc. For many, this causes loss of voice and thereby prevents a good performance. As far as it is possible, the singer should avoid those things that bring about cold, e.g., keeping a distance from those having cold. Inadequate rest or sleep for some may be responsible for loss of voice. Much has been written about the wide medicinal use of honey and bitter kola. Some say they are also good for the improvement of the voice. Bitter kola for some may be good for clearing the throat of foreign bodies. Some experts recommend the drinking of pasteurized milk and properly beaten raw egg. The taking of warm drink also help to keep the voice. The author has in the years past encouraged choirs to take warm tea or beverage in the course of a major singing performance, and this has always helped. The summary of the above is for the singer to be disciplined about what it takes, does what he avoids. So, children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.